Welcome. This is a tutorial on how to replace a faceplate of Casio F91W. For this you will need a new faceplate, a double-sided adhesive tape, which comes with the faceplate, a screwdriver, and all this other stuff which are not necessary, but will make it much easier. Step 1. Remove the module. Undo the screws diagonally and remove the backplate. Grab your module by the spring and pull it out. Step 2. Remove a faceplate. Heat the watch case. I recommend using a hairdryer, but a heat gun will do, if you are careful. Grab your case by the straps and use your thumb to push out the crystal. This is what might happen if you don't warm up your case. And this what might happen if you try too hard. Step 3. Install new faceplate. Take the double-sided tape and carefully peel it off the plastic. Line it up with the case and rub it in thoroughly to make sure it sticks. Put the module back in the case. Put the backplate back and making sure it's facing the right way. Grab your new faceplate and remove the protective film. Be very careful. The paint is very easy to scratch. And don't touch it with your greasy little fingers. Make sure faceplate is oriented correctly. Line it up and firmly push it in place. For the best adhesion, place something heavy on top and leave it overnight. Congratulations! You have successfully installed a new faceplate. Butterfing